question maximum times repeated in SEE examination. You can see here I took this question from coordinate geometry. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point 1 minus 4 and making an angle 45 degree with the line 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So you can understand with diagram 2. So we have to find out equation of this line. Diagram is not given in exam, you have to draw yourself. Equation of this line is, we have to find out the equation of this line is given, and the angle between these two line is 45. You can see here, make 45 degree. We have to find out equation of this line which is passing from 1 minus 4. So here we have to write given equation of straight line is 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. After that we have to find out slope of this line. Slope of, let's write on equation 1. Slope of equation 1 is m1. m1 is equal to minus coefficient of x. What is here coefficient of x? 2. So we have to write on 2 by coefficient of y. What is here coefficient of y? 3. So 3 we have to write. So slope of equation 1 is equal to what happened? Minus 2 by 3. Now we have to find out slope of this line. So we don't have this line, equation of this line. So let the slope of this line be m2. So we have to write here, let the slope of required line be m2. So let the slope of this line be m2, and this line, required line, is passing through 1 minus 4. Okay, hope you understand up to here. M2. And also let theta be the angle between two lines. Let theta be the angle between two lines. So what is the formula of tan theta? Tan theta is equal to plus minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This question is maximum times repeated. This question and next question which I am going to do, this two question is maximum times repeated in SEE examination. Very important. Then in the place of theta, what is their value of theta? 45. So we have to write here 45 is equal to plus minus m1. What is the value of m1 here? Minus 2 by 3. So we have to write minus 2 by 3 minus m2. We have to find out the value of m2. So write down m2. 1 plus, what is the value of m1? Minus 2 by 3. So we have to write minus 2 by 3 into m2. Tan 45 is equal to how much? We have to write 1 plus minus. Now we have to take here LCM. What is the LCM here? 3. LCM is 3 here, 3. So 3 we have to write minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 into m2. We have to write here 3 m2. Similarly here 1 plus minus minus 2 into m2, 2 m2 by 3. Now here also we have to take LCM. Now you can see here 1 is equal to plus minus minus 2 minus 3 m2 by 3. Now here also take LCM. 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 m2 by 3. Hope you understand up to here. Now you can see denominator 3 and 3 we can cancel, and we have to cross multiply. So what is remaining here? We can write 1 is equal to plus minus minus 2 minus 3 m2 by 3 minus 2 m2. Let's cross multiply. 1 3 minus 2 m2 into 1, we can write here 3 minus 2 m2 is equal to plus minus minus 2 minus 3 m2. Now we have to take positive, we have to take negative, and we can get value of m2. After finding value of m2, m2 means slope of this required line, and this line is passing through 1 minus 4. Then we have to use formula. Okay, now we have to take positive and negative. So we have to write here taking positive 3 minus 2 m2 is equal to, when you take positive, so directly we can write minus 2 minus 3 m2, and when you take negative, let's write on negative also here, so you can understand taking negative. So 3 minus 2 m2 is equal to, we have to take a negative sign, so we have to write here minus, and this all minus 2 minus 3 m2. Hope you understand here up to here. taking positive, taking negative. Now we have to solve both and we have to find out value of m. Now look at here how to solve this. 3, first of all we have to arrange the like term. You can see here is 3 and here is minus 2m. These two unlike terms, so we cannot solve, so we have to arrange like term. So we have to take 2 to the front. When you take 2 to the left side, we have to change the sign. If here is minus 2, we have to write plus 2 is equal to minus 3m2. We have to take this minus 2m2 at last to the right side, and when you change the place, we have to change the sign too. So what we have to write? Plus 2m2. 3 plus 2, 5 is equal to plus minus minus, so we can write minus m2. Yes, therefore m2 is equal to minus 5. We get here the value of m2 is equal to minus 5. Similarly, this we took here negative. Now here from here also we have to find out m2. 3 minus 2 m2 is equal to minus minus plus, so we can write 2 minus minus plus 3 m2. Now we have to solve this. We have to take this one here, we have to arrange like term. 3 minus 2, we have to change the sign. Here is 2 is in positive, so we have to write negative, is equal to 3m2 is here, so 3m2. We have to take this minus 2m2 to at the last to the right side. We have to change the sign. Here is minus. When you take we have to, when you change the places, you have to change with sign. You can see here minus 2m2, so we have to write plus 2m2. So 3 minus 2 means 1 is equal to 3 plus 2, we have to write 5m2. Now to find out the value of m2, we have to take 5 to the denominator. So 1 by 5 is equal to m2. When in multiplication, so we have to divide. Therefore m2 is equal to 1 by 5. Now you can see here m2 is equal to minus 5, another m2 is equal to 1 by 5, and we have one point. This line is passing through 1 minus 4. The slope of this line we got here 1 minus 5, another is 1 by 5 slope of this line. Now we have one point, so we can get equation of required line. Hence the equation of required lines are, what is the formula? When one point and slope is given, we have to use one point formula, and the formula is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Now once we have to take value of m is minus 5, and once we have to take value of m is 1 by 5. So we can write y minus x1 y1 means this point, this equation, this line, required line passing through 1 minus 4. So we have to take x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to minus 4. So here minus 4, so it will be plus 4 is equal to m means take minus 5, and x minus x1, x1 means 1. So we have to write here 1. Now calculate y. Plus 4 is equal to minus 5 into x minus 5x minus minus plus 5. Now we have to arrange this. This we have to make it positive, so we can write 5x. We have to take to the left side. 5 also we have to take, plus y plus 4 minus 5 is equal to 0, and we get here 5x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, we have to take minus 5 also. So what we can write here, y plus 4 is equal to, in the place of m we have to take 1 by 5 and x minus 1. Let's cross multiply. 5 into y, 5y plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to x minus 1. Now both we have to take to the right side. So x minus 1 minus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. Always make x positive. So x minus 5y minus 1 minus 20, so it will be minus 21 is equal to 0. So this is very important question for SAE examination. Hope you understand. If you understand, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Thanks for watching till last.